So I'm a big fan of fidget toy. Tangle is a fidget toy that you can play with it like this. Anyway, so I saw the video and I really liked it. So I just wanted to do some unboxing video. So here is my Tangle box. And before I unboxing my package, I just wanted to introduce all my Tangles or fidget toy that I have. So yeah, um, this is the very first Tangle that I bought. I was like 18 or 19, and it's been like 5 or 6 years, and it's kind of old. It's making, yeah, weird sounds like that. I saw a lot of comments that if you put some oil on this, the sounds will go away, but it wasn't help. It just kept making weird sounds like this. So I don't really like to, I'm not really enjoy to play with this. I just like to look at it. I mean, I like the color and the patterns they have. I really love the leopard. And these parts, you can change the part like this. So I trade this one with my friends. Yeah, yeah. It still have some oil in it, so I really don't like that. And this was my second Tangle that I bought. Well, the name was like orange, green, purple, like long color names, and I really like this. It's very smooth because I put some oil on all my tangles. Like all my other tangles are work, but this one is not working. And as you see, this one is pretty short than others because I broke all the parts. So yeah, it's getting smaller and smaller. I only have like 2 parts of green here. But it's kind of, I don't know, fun to play with it. It's small, so yeah. And this is the second Tangle that I bought. No, wait. This one was the second. Sorry for the spoiler. Um, this was the third Tangle that I bought. I was like 20, I don't know, probably 20. I really like the color. It looks like milk or toothpaste. And it's very smooth. I don't know why, but this one is most smooth one that I have. Yeah, I really like this. I, I named this milk. And I bought another one when I buy this. This one. I bought this together. Um, this one is just gold color and very smooth. I bring this when I go work or go out because all the others are just look like toy. So I don't know. I don't want people to think that I'm weirdo. I am weirdo, but yeah, I really like the color, and I just can tell other people that, oh, I have this because I need to exercise my hand. It helps my hands to get smoother when I go work. So actually, I just have it because I have a lot of panic attack. This one. This one was my last Tangle that I bought. I was like, I bought this maybe 2 years ago. I was feeling a lot of anxiety, insecure. I was not in a good position emotionally. So I bought this. I really like the color. I think its name was like Crushed Rainbow or Rainbow Crush, something like that. I kind of wanna change the part to rainbow, like pink and yellow, green, like like this, so it can look like a real rainbow. So these are all my tangles that I have. And I have more fidget or fidget toy. I really have a lot of them. I used to collect them. I'll show you. See, this was my favorite, but as you can see, it's melted. So it's kind of sticky, and I don't really want to play with this. So yeah, and I have like 5 or 6 more of fidget cube, but they all just melted. Only like 2 or 4 survived, and I have this. These are the fidget cube. I heard these are a second version of fidget cube, so it have more buttons. Joystick. I don't know what this is, but maybe silicone joystick and button. Uh, Something like volume, worry stone, wallet. Some lot of function this have, and I have different color. And these are survived from the summer, so I can play with this. And oh, I really like the color. It looks like cheese ball. So I always bring them together, milk and cheese ball. So these are all I have, and I have something like this too. Like this is a puzzle. Technically this is not a fidget cube, but I just like the color, so I bought. And I have this too. This is cube too, but you can hold it like this. But I don't really play with this because I'm too dumb to solve this. Yeah. So yeah, these are all I have, and let's get unboxing. So they came out like this. I mean, this is my first time to ordering Tangle from overseas. I usually buy this from the local market I have, but this looks nice. I really what should I call it? Exciting? Yeah, I don't know, exciting to get this. This one is textured Tangle. This part have some textures here. Exciting. I usually just keep the package too, but I think I need to throw this away. I can't keep the package like this. Not gonna lie, this is weird. I don't think I like this. Ugh. I don't know, but it's very smooth. I really like how smooth this is. I don't know, it feels weird. It feels like I'm touching the frog eggs. I really like the color though, and how it looks like. The textured part is kind of cute, but I don't think I really like this. I'm sorry. I'm really excited for this, but I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'll change my mind after all I see. Yeah, I'm really excited to get this. This one is Tangle, but it's with the little hermit crab in it. I have like several other animals like octopus, turtle. You can see that right now. Actually, I didn't want to buy this because the crab looks kind of ugly and it's hermit crab. I just wanna buy some normal crab like this, but it's still a crab, so I had to buy that. I'm a big fan of crabs. Whatever. I'm a fucking 24. It's smooth too. I don't really like the color, but it's good. It's good. And I think I'm not a big fan of textured parts. I think these two are the only textured Tangle that I bought. I hope so. Mm. Oh, this is rubber. I like this. I like this. And this is Tangle Junior for this collection. And this is the rainbow color. I love the rainbow, so I had to buy this. It's so smooth. But I really like the color. I think they printed on it. It have a little different texture. It feels like I'm touching the papers. I'm kind of worrying that the printed parts are go away if I touch this too much. But I really like the color. And all the others are just no way. I have more textured one. Ugh. I mean, I was kind of excited that I can buy the textured one because Korea doesn't have the textured one. I don't know why, but we don't have it, so I only can buy something like this. No texture. Please, come on. How? Oh. I really like the name of this. Lollipop. It looks like lollipop, but I don't know. I feel like I'm getting drunk. Yeah, I really like the color. So I couldn't decide what to buy, this or this, so I just bought all of them. I like them though. But if I had to choose only one, I probably buy this. This one have more cute colors. This one is, I don't know, kind of too much colors, but still is cute. And the last one here. Oh, this one is kind of heavy. I like this one. Other ones are just like smooth and light, but this one is kind of heavy. I like this. And I like the pink color. Like other ones are... I don't think I really like this. Yeah, this is pretty light and smooth. You can roll it like this, but this one is kind of heavy. I like this. I think this one is the favorite in these, and this one. Look at the colors. I love that. And this one is the least favorite that I have. And I like this one, but not my favorite. I'm kind of regretting it to buy this. If they don't have the crab here, I'm probably not buying this. It's cute. Yeah. Crabs. Yeah. And this one is just so no. Maybe I'll just get together with this because this one is too short. Okay, so these are all my tangles I have. I will probably mix with this and maybe this or this, so you can get longer. So yeah, it was good shopping. Yeah, good package. I will probably buy the mystery box after that if I have more money. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, so a little bit of update. I was just editing my video and it's been like 3 days from the unboxing video, and I made some change of my tangles. So I removed all the blue parts of my crab tangle, and it was a hermit crab, but I didn't like it, so he's now homeless crab. I just cut it off and he's homeless. He's with me though. Anyway, yeah, and I removed all the, like, what should I call it? The little pimples on his chin. I just removed it with the nail remover. And I found he have so cute teeth here. So yeah, now this is one of my favorite. I really like this. It just look like crabs. And I add all of the blue parts on my short rainbow tangle, so it looks like rainbow color, and it's very smooth. And I got more friendly with the textured ones. So this one is nice. Now I can play with this. Pretty cool. And yeah, I really like this one. And I didn't make any change. But yeah, other Tangles are just same. But I really like this. So until now, this is my favorite. And I really like the lollipop. It's very smooth. Other Tangles are getting old or heavy or slightly making noise, but this one is very smooth. I'm recently watching the Stranger Things and it looks like the little slime creature, so I kind of like it. I don't know. But yeah, so I really like them all. So yeah, bye.